What are batch number? Batch number are given to a group of items. For example, juice bottle that is produced together. A batch number is associated with information about the item. Most common information in the productions, the name, the expiry dates, the manufacturing dates are mentioned in the batch number. So this item with the same batch number have the same expire date. Batch number can be found on all packages like food item and medicines. Batch number or lot number are all around us. Most of the products we use are manufactured somewhere. Manufacturing products is often a complex process where mistakes can happen during productions, and this can lead to serious troubles to the end consumer. For example, pharmaceuticals and food products is very sensitive. All raw materials are quality checked, and each process have to be monitored with their batch number. The batch number for a finished item can consist of manufacturing date, and batch number are used to trace raw material too. Raw materials for the batch item can consist of expired date, so it is controlled and not to be used during the production process. Even though there are so many checks and processes in place, mistakes still happen. Some of these mistakes is unnoticed, and the final goods are shipped to the market. Now, in this scenario, these products need to be recalled from the market back to the manufacturer. So, in this step, we will use batch number to recall all the items from the market. For each production cycle, the same batch number is used. With this way, the manufacturers can know which batch number is spoiled if any one of the batch is spoiled. For example, you buy a packet of cheese. When you open the packet, it is smelly and rotten, even before the expiry date. So, you inform the supermarket about this. The supermarket will call the manufacturers to return the stock. They have already identified the issue with this batch number, and they are able to recall all the stock with the same batch number. Okay, that's all for my sharing today in this video. I hope you understand the batch inventory explanations in this video. My name is Vivian. See you in my next video. Bye.